Hello guys, welcome sa ating Toolbox Talk session. Ang topic natin ngayon is attitude and behavior. Ugali at pag-uugali. Tama ba? So guys, start na natin. All employee must, okay, not put themselves or other at risk. Okay guys, stop if asked to do things unsafe. Huwag po tayong papayag kung ang trabaho po na binibigay sa atin is unsafe para sa atin. Report all unsafe conditions and behavior to their supervisor or to your supervisor. Not indulge in horseplay as it lead to accident. Obey instruction or any safety rules in your project. Use tools and equipment correctly. Wear the PPE provided at all times. Ask their supervisor if they are unsure about anything. Respect their supervisors and co-workers. Take pride in working safely. Show consideration for others and help them where possible. Be enthusiastic. Okay guys, isa lang po ibig sabihin nito, kailangan po natin maging common sense. Isipin po natin yung makakasakit sa atin at huwag po natin gagawin. Kung meron pong unsafe action or unsafe condition na nakikita natin, i-report po natin kagad ito sa supervisor at sa safety at sila na pong bahala mag-mitigate ng measures. Okay guys, thank you very much and God bless. If you like my videos, please like, comment, and share. And God bless again.